Have you ever wondered how Python dictionaries work? Well, you're not alone in this quest. Today we delve into the world of Python dictionaries, exploring their function and how they can be a game changer in your programming journey. To kick things off, it's crucial to understand what a Python dictionary is. Imagine a real-life dictionary. You look up a word and you find its meaning, right? In Python, a dictionary works pretty much the same way. It's an unordered collection of data values that are used to store data values like a map. Essentially, it holds key value pairs. Now, how does one create a Python dictionary? It's pretty straightforward. A pair of curly brackets does the trick. You put your keys and values inside these brackets, separated by a colon. The key is what you use to unlock the corresponding value, much like how you'd use a word to find its meaning in a real-life dictionary. But what happens when you need to access a value from the dictionary? You simply use the key. Python will search the dictionary and return the value that matches the key. It's like having a treasure map where X marks the spot. Now let's say you need to update your dictionary with new information. Python makes it easy for you. All you need to do is provide a new key value pair, and Python takes care of the rest. But remember, keys in a dictionary are unique. So if you provide a key that already exists, Python will just update the corresponding value instead of creating a new pair. One may wonder, what if a dictionary becomes too cluttered? Can you remove items? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Python provides several methods to remove items from a dictionary. You can remove a single item, clear out a few, or even wipe out the entire dictionary. So to recap, Python dictionaries are powerful tools that store data in key value pairs. They're created using curly brackets with keys and values separated by colons. Accessing, updating, and removing data from a dictionary is a breeze in Python, making it a versatile tool in your programming arsenal. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with Python dictionaries, the more comfortable you'll become. So don't be afraid to experiment and explore. In the world of programming, curiosity didn't kill the cat. It made a better programmer. So the next time you're working with data in Python, give dictionaries a try. You might be surprised at how much easier they can make your life. And now you know how Python dictionaries work. It's a simple yet powerful concept that can drastically improve your efficiency as a programmer. So go ahead, unlock the power of Python dictionaries and watch your programming skills soar.